YouTube, welcome to Pop Along RC once again. Today is a short video about track design. The last few sessions that we had were really good. We think we can make it better purely by making the track simpler. The last time we went out with these Vantages and done one of our sessions, we noticed that a lot of the younger drivers were struggling to get around the course, and there were cones going everywhere. Cones are probably more suited to grass tracks. We're not using grass tracks throughout the winter purely for the fact that we can't spend time cleaning these because we've got other things to do at the weekend. I know we love racing, don't get me wrong, racing is awesome. However, you know, we're family people. Once we get home, we have to kind of put these away and do our chores, you know, to keep the rest of the family happy and whatnot. So we don't want to spend the weekends and hours cleaning these things, right? So nice and simple. So we have come to a decision that we are going to use for our next meeting, which you're going to see. Some rope, interesting, some playground chalks, and a good friend of mine has got me some tyres, a mechanic friend, and I've got to go and pick them up. And we've got our lap timing software, we have got the transponders. So the next meeting that we do is going to be a nice, simple oval track, which you're going to see very shortly in this video. So, the first part of the video you've just seen, I was explaining what we're going to do, and here it is. It's so simple, it's ridiculous. Literally, come with me, Carl. Carl's filming, come with me. You've got, obviously, some nice bright rope here. 2 tyres I got off my friend. Loads of cones on there, and also, if you look carefully, the bungee cord here, so it just stretches it out really. Then we've got the lap timer there, lap monitor, timer. We've got only three of us today. There we have it, guys. A nice, easy to put together track using nothing more than 2 car tyres, some rope, some cones, a bungee strap, and of course the lap timer from Lap Monitor. We are hoping to roll these sessions out so you can pop along in 2021. At the moment, we are, of course, under lockdown. This was taken some time ago, this footage, and I've only just got around to putting it up. We've had emails coming in from people who want to join us. Unfortunately, we can't at the moment, but believe me, when we are allowed, we will. We will see you on the other side of this pandemic situation for some fun racing at Pop Along RC.